Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Travel, where we help make travel easy for you by leveraging your personal credit and business credit. Yes, here at the channel, we're going to be showing you some different ways that will help you be able to use your personal credit to get personal credit cards, business credit cards, that we're going to have sign-on bonuses that allows you to be able to fly, to be able to stay at luxury hotels, be able to get rental cars for free or at a discounted rate. So, and also we want to be able to let you know that we have a private VIP school group where we're inviting you to become a member and join us with other like-minded business entrepreneurs and people that like to be able to travel. You will have access to being able to get that after watching our video here. We're going to give you the code and you're going to plug that code in and you will get access to learning more about different travel tips, travel hacking, personal credit, business credit, how to start your own business if you don't have one already. Also, we have a multifamily asset acquisition program inside of there. So if it's something where you're learning to be able to own your own apartment building, we have coaching and that we'll be able to help you with. And some people will be able to actually partner with us in acquiring some of these assets. So if this is something you're interested in, watch the whole video so that you can have access to being able to be a part of our community. We would love to have you. In this video here, we're going to go deep into funding. So I'm going to show you a quick clip inside of our business coaching program that dives in and explains the business funding process. And then inside of our software, you can have the opportunity to run your business through a free success scan by plugging your information in. And one of our representatives will get back to you and letting you know all the different business program and funding programs that you qualify for, if that's something that you're interested in. Otherwise, stay with us and we will explain this a little bit further in just a moment. I'm going to share my screen with you and we're going to dive right in.
The SBA has reported that over 90% of the business lending in the United States is done business to business rather than lender to business. This type of lending is where a vendor offers you business net credit payment terms for their products or services. You get what you need and you get 30, 60, or 90 days to pay for it. When you complete a business finance pre-qualification assessment, you will gain access to our database of thousands of vendors who are extending credit payment terms for every product and service imaginable. Conserve your valuable cash flow by having vendor lines of credit for the products and services that your business uses every day. These vendors will report your payment history to the business credit agencies and build your valuable business credit scores. Start now by completing the free business finance pre-qualification assessment.
So in our software down here, once you go through the video, you're going to be able to click here and run a pre-qualification business success scan. So you're going to put in all your information right here. It's then going to take you to the second part and then the third, and you'll fill in your information on these last parts. And then after doing so, somebody will get in touch with you. Here, Heidi explains how this works.
Taking the free Business Success Scan walks you through the aspects that play a role in obtaining business financing and takes the guesswork out of pre-qualifying before you apply. After completing the Success Scan, you are given access to our Success System to optimize many facets of your business, including building your business credit and much more. Complete the Success Scan now to find out where you stand.
All right. So that in a nutshell is our business program and what we do with our funding. So we will help you get qualified for multiple business banking products, from business credit cards, business lines of credit, business loans. Our system is designed to help you out If you want to just use our system, you can, or you can hire us to coach you, and we will coach you all the way through from start to finish. We're getting people credit for 250,000, 500,000. We've even gotten people SBA loans for over $1 million by using our software. So if it's something you're interested in, I advise you to click the link below. You can set up a coaching program, a free coaching assessment. You can also put your information in, and one of our representatives will get back to you right away. And so that's it. So we want to be able to give you access now to our free VIP school group community, which I promised you in the beginning of the video. All you have to do is use the title of this YouTube video right here, and that will give you access to getting into our free community, where we're going to go deeper into credit. We're going to go deeper into travel and also real estate acquisitioning. All right, so thanks a lot for coming by. We value your time. We understand that your time is way more valuable than money. If you like this content, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. And if you want to see more content just like this, hit the notification bell so you know when we drop our next video. All right, peace.